uh, I am rotating this north 60 anti-clockwise and clockwise, and marking its pole, the pole of this plane, and I got this poles, okay, these points. I can join this line, these points, okay, and form a round figure. Let me join. So after joining, it will look like this, okay. So what it signifies, that if our discontinuous plane's pole lies within this round figure, okay, so that would be a unstable zone, okay, then that means failure can occur. And if it lies here, that means it's a stable zone, so failure will not occur, okay. Now one more factor is given in the question, that is internal friction. So we will draw a internal friction also. So for that internal friction, we can do what, 30 degrees given, okay. So we will take a point, like the best point would be our center of this Stereonet, okay. So I will count 30 degree, okay, like 10, 20, 30. I'll mark here, then I will rotate it, okay, rotate it 10 degree, and then again I will count 10, 20, 30. 30 will lie here, okay. In this way I will rotate and mark, okay, 10 degree, because all the points will be very near. You can do it for 20 degree interval also. Point will be bit far away, but you have to make the circle, okay. So I will make 10, 20, 30 hours. So in this way I will mark all the points, okay, and I will show you how it looks. So you can see that after taking 10 degree interval in rotation, or 20 degree you can also take, I already told you, okay, I got these points. They are very near to each others. If you will take 20 degree, then it will be bit far, but not so far, okay. And all the intervals are in 30 degree from the center, okay. You can see, means you can also say that this is a radius, sorry, this is a circle of a radius of 30 degree dip, okay, or smaller circle radius. So I had made this, but why this is important, okay. We know that this is the unstable zone, this is the stable zone, but internal friction is needed, because you know that whenever, like, we have such a body, okay, and its internal friction is this much angle, okay, this much angle, suppose this is the 45 degree. So I placed a object in this slope, okay, and if and the object will rotate only when its internal friction will rise from 45 degree to 46 degree. If it's 45 degree to 44 degree, if it goes, then the object will not move. It will only move when its threshold internal friction, that is 45 degree, that will exceed and becomes at least 45.1 degree also, then also it will move, okay. In this case also, we know that there is a condition that discontinuity plane, okay, the dip of the discontinuous plane should be more than the internal friction, okay. So if our discontinuity plane will come within this circle of internal friction, then the failure is not occur, because it is coming below or within 30 degree internal friction. But if it is more than 30, the pole of the discontinuous plane is more than the 30 degree, then it will lie here, okay. That means that the failure will occur, because this is the unstable zone. So for this circle, the stable zone is inside this, and unstable zone is outside this circle, okay. So firstly I will join all the points,